Sir, anong ina-expect nyo po ngayong SONA po?
Well, I don't want to preempt the statement of the president. But we as local government, for whatever plans that he may do in the coming year of our lives as Filipinos, we as local government unit will support the direction of the presidents or programs. Para maging makatulong naman ang pamahalang lungsod. At kami lahat as local government.
Thank you,
Mayor, for this year,
ano po yung mga inaasahan niyo po ngayon? SONA po.
Siyempre, pagkakaisa, paglingap sa mahirap, at pagsunod sa katarungan at batas.
Maraming salamat po. What are you expecting in this SONA po?
What I want to hear from the president is him talk about the problem of drugs and how to go about it. I want the president to order the Philippine National Police and the PDEA to tell them to fight the problem of drugs in the country, especially in our province. I want him to talk about the refinement of the K-12 program to make education program better this time. And I want to hear his 2 years accomplishments and his future plans. I want the president to end on a high note. It is our job and responsibility in Congress to help him with his priority legislative measures. I want the president to succeed until matapos siya.
Thank you po. Sir, ano po mga inaasahan niyo po ngayong SONA ni President?
Naasahan ko na bumalik tayo sa basics, back to basics, education and health. Meron tayong 6 million ng mga bata na nag-graduate ng high school na hindi marunong, hindi naintindihan yung kanilang binabasa, no? Yung tinatawag nating functionally literate. At pangalawa, health. No? Marami tayong mga kababayan. Pag pupunta ka ng ospital, kailangan ka pa pumila sa mga politiko para magpagamot. So, in sistema natin pagdating sa healthcare, hindi pa ayos. Isa dyan dapat ayusin yung PhilHealth. So, yan ang dapat matutukan in the next 3 years. Dahil basic to eh. Hindi sana matatapos ang termino ng ating Pangulo na may problema tayo sa education and health. Kasi basic yan.
Sir, what about the Supreme Court's decision about impeachment ni Vice President Sara? Is there any legal course pa na gagawin ng Senate?
Nasabi ko kanina, ang trabaho ng legislature is to legislate. Ang trabaho ng Supreme Court is to answer constitutional questions. At nagsalita na sila. Sabi nila, this articles of impeachment is unconstitutional. And sinabi pa nila na void ab initio to. So na-void, no? Parang nag-umpisa tayo sa simula. No? So we have to respect that decision of the Supreme Court.
So, sir, may impeachment pa ba?
In my opinion, yan ang sinabi ng ating Supreme Court na void na. So ibig sabihin, walang articles of impeachment. Pag walang articles of impeachment, wala nang i-hear ang Senado. Kasi ang basis ng impeachment and hearing or trial, yung articles of impeachment. Pero vinoid na yan ng Supreme Court. Thank you.